Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at real world assets, coins by market cap on CoinGecko. I took a look at it on CoinMarketCap. It's quite different though. There are some similarities, but it's pretty different. But Chainlink, I don't know, Maker. Yeah, but anyway, we're gonna stick with the one on CoinGecko because most of the coins are the coins outside of the top 100 centrifuge. The first one is really number 214, right? Because normally we go through the top 50, so we will come across Chainlink, Maker, probably Synthetics as well. So we're just gonna go straight into centrifuge, and then we'll start it with and then we'll follow with POLYMesh, PENDLE, Maple, AllianceBlock, Nexera, TrueFi, Creditcoin, Golfinch, BOSON, and then we'll end it with Propy at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Centrifuge against BTC. Yeah, okay, it looks to me like we are in some sort of a accumulation, right? You can see that we are forming lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, high lows, high lows. Ooh, squeeze. It's a squeezy. So yeah, we're expecting a breakout though eventually, but again, we're not too sure if this is it. Could we still drop a little bit lower? Could we still drop lower to take out these lows and still be considered a squeeze? Yeah, of course, for sure. Again, we have to watch out for BTC, and if BTC doesn't really collapse, then more likely than not, centrifuge could be continuing its move to accumulate and then eventually break out. Or we could already start breaking out, and then yeah, I will be late if something like this were to happen, right? We form something of an this is an ascending triangle. If we form an ascending triangle, then great, we could be breaking out from here. But as it stands, yeah, we're still not really sure, but we kind of like what we see developing for centrifuge against BTC. We look at it on KuCoin against USD. Yeah, okay, this is beautiful. Why? This is also a series of values, right? Value 1, value 2, value 3. Yeah, it's only a matter of time before we break higher. But the question is when, right? When? Tell me, when will you be mine? This is, you want to count this as an ABCDE, but it's not. It's not. It's just not, right? It's something like an inverse head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, very, very, very big right shoulder, right? We could have just completed the right shoulder and blasted off, but we didn't. The wheels pulled centrifuge lower, and then they pushed it back up. So it's like, hey yo, bro, what's happening? Yeah, again, we're still not entirely sure what's happening with centrifuge, but we like the development so far. And you can see that the valleys keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and then we break out. Woo! So yeah, we're just waiting for the signal, right, for centrifuge. But until then, we're gonna stay safe. POLYX, POLYX BTC, POLYX BTC on Binance. Anything for POLYX? This looks to me like mountains, right? Mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3. Pam! We hit lower for POLYX. Doesn't look good to me. POLYX against USDT. Here we are for POLYX. Anything? Yeah, again, this is also a mountain 1, mountain 2. Could be heading lower. Oh my god. Not looking good, right? Look over here. Head and shoulders. Very big left shoulder. Very tall head. Small right shoulder. Pum! We're down. Right. Even this as well is a head and shoulders, right? Zoom down. Again, I suspect we're getting something like this. A descending triangle as we head lower. So yeah, POLYX doesn't look good. Stay safe. PENDLE BTC. Okay. This is PENDLE BTC. Anything for PENDLE BTC? No, let's look at it here. PENDLE against BTC. We are for PENDLE. Okay, when I see charts like this, right, my initial thought would be we're coming down for a C. More likely than not, because such moves is unsustainable, right? We have to have some sort of a consolidation or accumulation before we hit higher, right? And my preference will always be proper accumulation phase for PENDLE, right? I would expect something like this to happen for PENDLE. So as it stands, yes, we are in a bullish trend. Yes, we are above the skinny pink line, but we could be at the very, very end of the move for PENDLE. What I mean by that is, let's assume this is a 1, 2, right? 3, 4, 5. And we could be coming back lower, right? Look at this. Yeah, something like that. Pendle against USDT. Let's look at it on the KuCoin. Do we have it here? Yeah, okay. Let's look at it on... Oh, Gate. Okay, let's look at it on Gate. Here will probably have better... Yay! So this is Pendle on Gate. And you can see we're already forming mountains over here, right? And you can pull a support line across. And I suspect it's only a matter of time before we cross the support line. And we cross under the skinny pink line. Once we cross under the skinny pink line, this will signify the start of a bearish trend, right? Start of a very bearish trend. Where could we go down to? Yeah, my expectation is potentially sub 10 cents. We're at 63 cents right now, so this is still a long way down for Pendle. So I'll preach caution. No, I don't think this is it. I think more likely than not, we're coming back down. As you can see for Pendle BTC, yeah, I don't think we're gonna go past that. USD, same thing as well. Same freaking thing. Both pairs are showing similarities. So I'm expecting a break under the skinny pink line. Hopefully not too far lower. And then we start a super duper rally. And then eventually we break higher. 2025, 26. This might be extended to 2028 though. Right? This whole thing could stretch out to 2027, 2028 before we see a proper breakout. So yeah, that's my take for Pendle. I don't think it's time to be going in. If anything, Pendle should be a short. Pendle USDT. Perpetuals? Ah, it's available. So if anything, Pendle is a short. For me, it's a short. It has to be, you know, we have to correct first before any, you know, real big moves come, right? 800, 1,000. We'll take it one step at a time. I think that's more downside. Maple against BTC. Let's look at it here on CoinMarketCap. Maple against BTC. Yeah, we're very close to breaking the skinny pink line. Right, there's some sort of an ABC, right? I don't know if this is a D or not. Would be great if we break above the skinny pink line. Skinny pink line starts curling back up. We get a nice E over here, right? Can you see it? A, B, C, D, E. Boom! Maple goes parabolic. And then the skinny pink line keeps going higher. Aha! This would be the best bullish case. But again, as it stands, we just don't really see it yet. You know, things are very iffy at the moment. So I'd be very, very cautious about rushing to anything for Maple BTC. Maple USDT on Gate, you will see it. Haha, we have a target over here. $27! So, yeah, because the Maple BTC pair looks pretty good though. So we kind of like what we see for Maple BTC. And also, you know, Maple USD could also be in a very nice big consolidation. We're kind of above the skinny pink line, so that's why I'm hoping for it to hit towards resistance, consolidate a little bit, and then a true breakout comes as we hit towards potentially 27. We're at $6 right now for Maple. You don't go long when we are so close to being overbought, right? You have to wait for a retrace first before making any move for Maple, right? So yeah, it could already be exhausted, and we could also again come all the way back down as well, taking out these two lows. So yeah, this is a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower. You have to wait for falling channels, because falling channels usually break higher. So if anything, yeah, once it breaks, you make a move here, put a stop loss. That's it. And ride it to the moon. Moon Riders. Maple for you. Nexera, NXRA, BTC. Bitpernex. So for NXRA, BTC, anything? This looks to me like mountain ranges. Let's look at NXRA here. NXRA. AllianceBlock, Nexera. Yeah, nope, there's nothing much for AllianceBlock's Nexera. If anything, we're in some sort of a falling channel. I suspect this could, you know, be a prolonged falling channel, right? I can already count 3 waves. We're in the midst of a wave 3. So, yeah, there could be 4, 5 as well. Again, we don't know how low this is going to go, so Nexera is a no-go. No-go for us. Nexera USDT. Let's look at it. On KuCoin, how about it? Yeah, it doesn't look good, right? If you look at Nexera, it's Mountain 1, Mountain 2. Yeah, we're about to drop. We are about to drop. How much lower? I don't know. I think we're going to take out all of these lows as NXRA drops lower. Past 4 cents. My guess is past 4 cents. Doesn't really look good, right? There is this guy on Twitter. Is shilling NXRA so heavily. He keeps saying this is his heaviest bag. So I'm like, yeah, bro, it doesn't look good to us. So yeah, Nexera is a no-go. Eventually, maybe, but Yeah, not at this moment. Could we turn bullish from here? Of course, for sure. How would that happen? Yeah. We start curving back up, right? A, B, something like that. C, D, something like an E. Kind of a chart pattern. Sure. We break higher. Potentially, right? At the same time, this could also be something like an ascending triangle as we hit higher for Nexera. But yeah, no, as it stands, it's bearish to me. So be careful. Be very careful. TrueFi, True BTC. This True BTC, we're still under the skinny pink line. We attempted to break it. We failed. We got slapped back down. I know we're curving back up, but ladies and gentlemen, this is a rising channel. Rising channel usually break lower. Not at the moment. TrueFi, True USDT. Yeah, nope. Nothing much for True. Next. Creditcoin, CTC, BTC. KuCoin, let's look at it on KuCoin. Oh boy, nope. CTC USDT. Let's look at it on KuCoin again. Oh boy, it's just a down, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. It's a very illiquid coin, so you see this kind of wicks. Be careful, be careful. GFI Golfinch, GFI BTC, anything? Nope. Look at it here, GFI Golfinch Protocol against BTC. Yeah, it's just down. I suspect the USD pair will also be a downer. Again, yeah. Something like a rising channel, right? Rising channels usually break lower. Right, so that is GFI for you. Golfinch. BOSON BTC. Bitfinex again. Okay, this is a very nice consolidation. Could we break higher? Of course. Of course, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially. I'm not entirely sure. Head and shoulders. Do you see this? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Down. See? Mountain ranges. Mountains. Zip lower. Right, again. Mountain ranges as well. Mountain ranges in the smaller time frames. If you zip into the like 15 minutes, you'll probably be able to see this and see this as well. Again, this looks like mountain ranges as well though, a descending. But the preceding trend is bullish, so we might get something like this falling channel, get higher. Again, we're not entirely sure. This is not what we'll consider as tradable. We're still in a downward trend. We're still under the skinny pink line, so we remain with a bearish bias for BOSON BTC, BOSON USDT. Okay, let's look at it on Gate. Yeah, same thing against the USD pair. Okay, head and shoulders was here. Yeah, doesn't look good to me. Nope, it's a next coin. Next, Propy, PRO, PTC. PRO, PY, BTC. Oh. Yeah, no. They probably. Propy will probably find support around this area. We're heading there now. From where we are to that area is about another 30%, 28%, 30% more for Propy BTC. Yeah, be very, very careful. Propy USDT. I think we'll look at it on Coinbase. Yeah, still a downer. Nope. It's a nope. The only one with a high quality potential is Centrifuge. Something coming for Centrifuge maybe again. So I'm not entirely sure about that. Okay, let me just take a look at Twitter. The institutional platform for on-chain credit. Welcome to Centrifuge everywhere. Built on Base and Arbitrum. Plus Aave will onboard real assets through Centrifuge. We continue to build with MakerDAO. New pools launched this month and much more. That's nice. Looks active. October 7. That's only 3 days ago. Okay. Lucas Vo. I see. So this is the founder. Not too sure. I am not too sure. But Centrifuge might have potential, but yeah. Centrifuge is the only coin that would be interesting in my opinion. In terms of real world assets, in terms of potentially breaking out towards the upside. only Centrifuge. The rest is just AllianceBlock, nope, more downside. Maple maybe, but yeah, Centrifuge, you know. The focus should be on Centrifuge. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Real World Assets TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.